What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We're going to have another banger. We've got Harleys, we've got FZs, we've got scooters, we've got four-wheelers out here today. And while I'm thinking about it real quick off the start of the video, shout out Layden. He's a cool dude I met a while back, I believe at Stage and Shake. He's been subscribed and been commenting ever since. Appreciate you, buddy. Look at the group, baby. I don't need to be in the front. Somebody get in the front, please. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm down to watch the drum work. How you been, bro? A little bit of FZ work. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I've been rusty on my bike here lately. And I've been spending so much time with the Sporty and the drum. I see you, foot brake action. Get a big dog. Crazy motherfucker. That was funny. Oh, dude lost his money. Oh. Ah, fresh battery and the GoPro. One of the, well, yeah, we're about out of SD storage on that one. I have no idea where I'm going. Little Z125 work? I don't even think he has a handbrake. Oh, I heard that Harley. I was like, what the fuck's wrong with my bike? Well, that was me for a second sounding like that. Anyways, I hope y'all are enjoying the video as much as I am enjoying being here. Dude, nasty on the R7, bro. I gotta put some more time in. Draw's wide open. I see you. He's all the way off the bike. Back to a set down. I'm getting comfortable in the stand-up, so I ain't gonna lie. Alright, well, we're leaving the gas station at the end. I need me some CSP cages on my Harley. Bad for nothing. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and Layden, shout out to you, brother. I appreciate you being subscribed and commenting on my videos. It means a lot, bro. But until next time, this is Tank Rides. Peace.